Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are working on RGB lamp with the TECHB STEM kit. In this project, the main components used are ultrasonic sensor, RGB controller and a cubic controller. The main aim of the project is when the ultrasonic sensor detects an object, the RGB light will be turned on. We have fast forwarded the video. For the step-to-step guidance and the coding stuff, go through the description below. As we can see, the RGB lights gets turned on when the ultrasonic sensor detects something. I hope you really enjoyed the video. For any queries, ask in the comment section below.